Welcome to this YouTube channel Learn Quick. I am Sharif here to explain you a problem on section of solids hexagonal prism. Before solving the problem, we will discretize the question into four parts so that we can understand it better. A hexagonal prism of base side 40 mm and height 90 mm. So we are going to draw a hexagon which is of 6 sides and the solid type is prism. The side length has to be 40 mm and the axis length is 90 mm. This is part 1. So in part 2, it rests on HP on one of its ends with two rectangular faces parallel to VP. So to decide the default position of this hexagonal prism, we need to refer our previous video lecture, Projection of Solids, position number 65, which lies in the 23rd minute of the video. To watch the video, kindly click on the link on the top right corner or in the description. So in part 3, it is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 40 degree to HP. The cutting plane meets the axis at 35 mm from the top. So we are going to cut this hexagonal prism at an angle of 40 degree. So we are going to cut the hexagonal prism perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. So and the cutting plane has to be at an angle of 40 degree. So where I have to place this cutting plane at a distance of 35 mm from top. So from top I have to take 35 mm. I have to keep an angle of 40 degree. So in this question I am going to cut my hexagonal prism. So whether you incline the cutting plane 40 degree in this direction or in this direction is your wish. In case if you keep the cutting plane in this direction, your true shape is going to lie here. So we are going to draw the perpendicular lines from the cutting plane to draw a true shape, or you can draw the true shape below this, drawing perpendicular line. In case if you have drawn the cutting plane in this manner, your true shape will lie here or here. So based upon your paper location of your drawing, you need to decide how you are going to draw the cutting plane. So this is my part 3. So part 4, it is what we are going to draw in this question. So we are going to draw the front view of the hexagonal prism, and then we are going to draw the sectional top view, and then we are going to draw the true shape of the section. So let's see how to draw the section of solid hexagonal prism now.
The paper is kept in landscape for better visibility. The default position of hexagonal prism is drawn by referring position 65 from video lecture Position of Solids. Now we name all base corners of hexagonal prism in top view A to F, which are visible corners, and bracket G, bracket H, bracket I, bracket J, bracket K, bracket L, which are not visible in top view. Now we name all base corners of hexagonal prism in front view A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, which are visible in front view, E dash and F dash, which are not visible in front view. Similarly, G dash, H dash, I dash, J dash, which are visible, and bracket L dash and bracket K dash, which are not visible. Mark 35 mm from top in axis to draw the cutting plane, keeping at an angle of 35 degree. Now using a HB pencil, draw cutting plane from left extreme edge to right extreme edge. And using HB pencil, highlight the edges of material which is remaining after sectioning. Mark cutting plane VT. Name the cutting plane at places where it intersects the edges like 1 dash for edge A dash G dash, 2 dash for edge B dash H dash, 3 dash for edge C dash I dash, 4 dash for edge D dash J dash, bracket 5 dash for edge bracket E dash bracket K dash, bracket 6 dash for edge bracket F dash bracket L dash. Projecting all cutting plane points from front view to top view, meeting the respective edges in top view, mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now draw hatching lines in sectional area to represent the cut surface with equal distance at any angle between 30° to 45°. Try to avoid the hatching lines getting parallel to any of the line in the boundary. It is recommended to use engineering drafter for drawing hatching lines, and it makes easy to draw parallel and perpendicular lines in engineering drawing. Now draw vertical lines from cutting points in front view to visualize the true shape of the cut surface. To understand this concept, watch our previous video lecture on section of solids with coconut and cake as example. The link for the video is available in description and top right corner. Now draw a line parallel to cutting plane as an auxiliary reference line y1x1. We name y1x1 because the true shape which are about to obtain is inverted. Measure cutting point 1 from reference line and travel in same projector to mark 1 1 from auxiliary reference line. Similarly, transferring cutting point 4, transferring cutting point 6, transferring cutting point 5, transferring cutting point 2, and transferring cutting point 3. Now using HB pencil, join all cutting points to obtain true shape of section. One one, 2 1, 3 1, 4 1, 5 1, 6 1. Now hatch the true shape of the section by drawing parallel lines of equal distance at any angle between 30 to 45°. If you have any doubt to be clarified, post your query in comment section.
I hope you have liked the video. In case if you have liked, hit like button. If you have any queries, comment it. Do share the video and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.